The number of benefits of display ads. They enable advertisers to expand beyond Google search. Display campaigns reach people on 35 million websites and apps worldwide, including YouTube and Gmail. They're goal-driven. They drive sales, leads and traffic and build brand awareness. They're easy to use. Display campaigns use machine learning for targeting, bidding and formats to reach new and existing audiences. Finally, optimized targeting. Display ads identify the best performing audience segments according to your advertising goals. So let's look at some display ads in use. So I've gone to the Guardian website, which is a major news website, and we can see straight at the top here, this is a Google advert. We can see that if we click on the X at the top, it says the ad is served by Google. If we go down the page, that is definitely a Google website. You can see there's the title and the description, there's the image. If we click on that, it'll tell us it's a Google ad. Again, another Google ad, the same one here. Let's go further down the page. That's another Google ad. Image, title, description, and then call to action. If we look at another site, I'm just going to go to Mashable, which is another major news site. That is a Google ad. This is a Google carousel ad. You can see there's the logo here, and it's got images of products from the site. That's from a product feed. We click on ad choices again. That tells us it's a Google ad. This on the right hand side is also a Google ad. Image, title, description, brand. As you can see, Google ads come in lots of different formats. These are called responsive ads. Again, that is another Google ad at the bottom. So Google ads comes in lots of different shapes and sizes and appear on multiple websites. So how does targeting work for Google display ads? Display ads are shown to specific audience segments. The advertiser can create these, or you can let Google decide the best audience for your ads. This is known as optimized targeting. Optimized targeting looks at signals like keywords on your landing page or creative assets, and then identifies audiences that meet your campaign's goals. Optimized targeting is on by default, but it can be easily disabled. Optimized targeting helps identify high converting segments, find new customers beyond your existing segments, and increase conversions without increasing costs. To help Google learn more quickly, you can add audience segments or keywords known as targeting signals to optimized targeting. So you can either set your own targeting, use Google's optimized targeting, or use a combination of the two. So here's the examples of the different segments you can set within Google. You can use people targeting or contextual targeting. So people targeting is democratic or an audience. So that could be an affinity audience or a remarketing audience, i.e. customers that already visit your website. Contextual targeting is where you set keywords, topics or placements to tell Google about the kind of customers you're looking to reach. So if you're trying to reach new customers, you should keep optimized targeting enabled, and there's no need to add targeting signals. If you want to reach and acquire new and relevant customers and specific audience segments, you can add targeting signals to a campaign, but also keep optimized targeting enabled. If you don't want to look for new customers, you can turn off optimized targeting and use your current data segments. So what kind of ads does Google create from the data that you input? Google uses something called responsive display ads. These automatically adjust the size and appearance and format to suit available ad space and improve performance. To enable responsive display ads, the advertiser uploads various assets. These include images, headlines, logos, videos and descriptions. Google chooses the combination size of assets to display in ads across the web, and also apps and Google and Gmail. So here on this slide we show an example of the different kind of ads that Google would create from the same imagery. You can see headline used in different places, imagery and the description. Let's have a look at see how this actually appears online in an example. So this is an advert for running apparel. You can see the same image has been resized and also the same titles are used in lots of different combinations. Down here on the left hand side, this is an ad which shows different images from a website that's powered by a data feed. If you were to click on these different icons, it would take you to different products on the site. So ads are created from a number of different assets. To create an ad, advertisers need to submit images in various formats. You can submit multiple images, also logos, headlines, descriptions and data feed. A data feed is data from your website, so it's a feed of your product which Google uses to create an ad which shows live products. This is particularly useful if you're doing remarketing. If you have customers going to a website and not buying anything, then Google will then follow them around the web with ads and show them products that they were looking at on your website, and hopefully they'll click on them and go back to your website. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how to create display ads, and we're going to be looking at the formatting of these in more detail.